Thank goodness I have a police officer in front of me to enforce the laws of the road. What was that? Lights red. No flashing lights. It's a dead-end street down there. Maybe he's just going for a break. This is all on the government website. Green light means you may go left, turn straight, turn right, after yielding to vehicles and pedestrians already in the intersection. Basically, green means go if the way is clear. The yellow light means the red light is about to appear. You can stop if you can do so safely, otherwise, go with caution. This definition leads to too much interpretation in my opinion. Just like the green light, the red light is very simple. A red light means you must stop. Period. I'm pretty sure even a 3-year-old can follow the instructions for the red light. And for those who are more visual learners, in the bottom right hand corner is that pedestrian countdown. You can use that as a guide as to when the light will turn yellow and red, but it's not always accurate. In this case it will. Turn yellow and then red, which is stop. That's it. Stop. The first clip of the day is going to be the most controversial clip because it involves a TTC bus. That's right, transit fans, get your fingers ready to start typing your illogical rationale as to why this bus goes through this intersection. Let's go through this at regular speed just to get your first impressions. We're going to hear all the same excuses. The bus driver didn't want to slam on the brakes, causing injury to his passengers or getting rear-ended. Oh please, he's at a complete stop right now. This is one of those lights where the countdown timer actually works. When it goes to 0, the yellow comes on, and the bus is clearly behind the line. So instead of stopping like the rest of us do at the yellow light, the bus decides to gun it through the intersection. And of course it's one of those extended buses trying to get through that intersection. Remember that yellow light definition? Right. In my opinion, it's driver error on this one. And with this pickup, it's pretty simple. It's just a red light. And you'll see when I zoom in here that the pickup is definitely behind that red line before he goes through the red light. Now notice this minivan to my right here. I'm actually coming up on it, so I'm actually going to pass it eventually. But then he kind of cuts in front of me. I think, okay, I gotta slow down, I gotta brake. And then the minivan switches over back to the same lane that he was in originally, and I don't even have to zoom here, but as you can see, he goes right through that red light. Really? All I had to say was, what the heck? Very quiet day at this intersection. What you'll see here, and it's hard to see, but you'll have to trust me on this, but the light turns yellow there. And as you see to the right, there's nothing there except a pickup truck waiting to go through the red. Wow. Pickups. Now this next series will be a series of people turning left on a red light. As you'll see here, light turns yellow. I come to a stop like I should. Those cars proceed through the intersection and a Civic just goes right through the red. And at this intersection, again, not much happening. Light turns yellow. Red. Do you see a car on your right side? Neither do I. Until now. I throw my hands up in the air, cause dude, red means stop, not hit the gas. That's a fella that needs remedial driving lessons. Another left turner. You'll see the light goes red. Do you see somebody on your left? Nope, but he'll wait till my light goes green before he goes through. On this one here, again, this is one of those things that you'll just have to trust me, the camera doesn't catch it. But right there, there's a little black Mercedes. My light is green, so therefore his light is red. But he goes right through. This is an intersection that, yeah, it goes kind of slow, and that's why he probably ran out of patience. And then my side camera gets him. Say cheese! If somebody recognizes that guy, please let him know I say hi. Okay, maybe I'm being too harsh, but they're stop signs. Stop signs actually spell out for you what they want you to do. Now, this is an example of a stop sign issue that I see quite often, and that's it. I come to my stop, take off, and this Civic does not. Just goes right through the stop sign in big red sign that said stop. And then they proceed to tailgate me and act like they're going to overtake me. You can see me going over that speed hump. Now this is a 40-kilometer-an-hour zone, and those speed humps are to slow people down because people like him or her are trying to speed. And the interesting thing is that Civic, you'll see, goes to park at their own house. The only explanation for this is possibly that they were having diarrhea and need to get home really quick. Now for the joke of the day. I'm addicted to red lights, but I can stop whenever I want. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next Ladybug adventure.